In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Alibaba. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm that your prices are showing in the currency you prefer. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Alibaba.com. You don't need any special page for this, the main homepage is perfect. Once the site loads, look toward the top of the screen for a small globe icon. It's usually in the upper right area of the header, next to other site preferences. That globe is the shortcut to language and currency settings, so it's the quickest way to update how prices are displayed. Click the globe icon and a settings panel will open. Here, you'll see options to set the language and the currency. We're focusing on currency since that controls how product prices and search results are shown all across the site. Updating this makes browsing and budgeting much easier because you'll see amounts in a format that's familiar to you. In the currency section, click the drop-down menu. This opens a list of available currencies. Take a moment to find the one you prefer. You can scroll the list and select the option that matches your needs. Choose the currency you want to see on product listings, search results, and category pages. When you see your preferred currency in the list, click on it to select it. That sets your choice in the panel. After you've chosen the currency, click Save. This step applies your selection across the site. It's important to save before you leave the panel, otherwise the setting won't stick. Once you hit save, Alibaba will update the pricing display automatically. You should notice the numbers refresh and product pages will now show amounts in the currency you selected. To confirm that everything worked, glance at a few listings or perform a quick search. The currency symbol and formatting should reflect your new setting. If you're signed into an account, your preference may be remembered for future visits on the same device. Keep in mind that currency display is for convenience and budgeting. Final charges and exchange rates can vary depending on payment method and seller terms, so review totals at checkout if precision is critical. That's all there is to it. Open Alibaba.com, click the globe icon, set the currency from the drop-down, and save. With your preferred currency in place, browsing, comparing prices, and planning purchases becomes a lot more straightforward. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother shopping experience.